Have you heard about the latest virtual carrier pigeon for Apple devices? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and that's right, we're talking about AirDrop. This handy feature allows you to easily send all kinds of stuff, from hilarious memes to secret recipes, passwords, pictures, and so much more, to any other nearby Apple device. And let's be real, AirDrop is likely our top favorite feature on Apple devices. Sure, the iPhone's camera ability is unbelievable, Face ID is a great security function, and Siri's extremely helpful, but there's just something about the convenience and simplicity of AirDrop that makes us love it. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility, so it's important to use AirDrop safely. Be sure to only accept files from people you know and trust, and double-check the sender's name and device before accepting a file. We don't want any unwanted surprises popping up on our screens now, do we? Let's get going. To start using AirDrop, you need to be signed in with your Apple ID, and both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth should be turned on. When you're ready to share something, simply open the item and tap the Share button. You'll see the AirDrop icon, and from there, you can choose the person you want to share with. You can even use AirDrop to share things between your own devices. If the person you want to share with does not appear as a nearby AirDrop user, make sure their AirDrop is allowed to receive items in their control center. To do this, simply swipe down on the upper right side of your screen, then touch and hold the top left group of controls. Here you can turn AirDrop on or off. Give AirDrop a try next time you're sharing a photo, password, or any other bits of data, and let us know if it turns out to be your favorite Apple feature. Be sure to also visit cyberguy.com for all the latest, and have you signed up for my free newsletter? It's right there, that little red button.